Hello everyone. In this video we're going to walk through the Salesforce integration of 6DOS. So we're going to start with kind of a day in the life of a sales rep, starting with accounts. So the concept behind this is I have a set list of accounts that I'm working in my territory or that my team's working. In our case, we'll pick 5.9 as one of our target accounts. So what you're going to see at the account level is the Salesforce API calling into 6DOS is going to pull in any contacts that we have that are related to that account. So we're searching the 6DOS database for people who have that account, and that's going to produce a list of contacts. So in those contacts, based on the information we have, we can see how strong the relationship is. In our case, we'll pick Matt Edmonds as the target buyer we're trying to reach. So at this point, I've found the contact I'm trying to get to. I can see from 6DOS who actually knows that person. So unlike LinkedIn, where it just says shared connection, here we're using actual data to score the relationship. And once you reach this point, you can decide, well, I'm going to reach out to Derek and request the introduction. So that creates this prompt inside of Salesforce that will send an email from inside of Salesforce that we can track, outlining the request for introduction in 4 key components: the opportunity, the timeline, the ask, and any other relevant information. A similar type of search would be to just start with contacts, people that we know are in our database and that we're trying to get a hold of. And again, we'll make our example Matt Edmonds. So let's say we know the contact, and from that contact search, I want to know who within my team knows that person. And the same function exists where I can request an introduction. The last function I want to show is the search within an opportunity. So if we take a specific opportunity and drill into that, we'll say like Bank of America, what I'm looking for is inside of that opportunity, who are the people that are connectors into that account that we could reach out to. For example, like Allison could be someone we're trying to reach in the credit department. And when we load that up, the API is going to call out to 6DOS and see who knows her. And in this case, our best connector to Allison is going to be Elliot Curlin. And again, Elliot doesn't have to be a member of our Salesforce instance. This could be, one of my friends that I network with and someone else I'm connected with on 6DOS, but I'm getting the visibility inside of Salesforce as to who I need to connect with. Hopefully this demo helps you understand the functionality that we're inserting into Salesforce that will help you make better decisions on how best to get to your buyer and potentially look at who should be working specific accounts based on the strength of their relationships.